conscious was this choice to, like do a very campy, mainstream, Hollywood tentpoler after doing Quantico? I mean, you could have picked whatever you like.
It was a conscious choice because, sorry. It was a conscious choice, I guess, to do a big tentpole movie. It's my first movie in Hollywood, so let's not assume it's the same kind of thing that happens in America. People didn't know me very much. The kind of films that came to me were very interesting because of Quantico. You can't just arrive there and say, okay, mujhe picture chahiye. You know, people have to come to you. So after Quantico, it was really nice that I got some amazing films. Out of the films that were offered to me, I liked Baywatch the most because, one, it was a huge, big, like global movie. I was a Baywatch fan when I was growing up. And second, I was playing the villain in the film. So I liked the idea कि मैं अपनी पहली film में कुछ, that I'm doing something different. I mean, you all know me more than anything. I've always tried to make my career a little bit to the left. Always I've chosen little different paths. That's what excites me. So I wanted, after Alex Parrish, America to get introduced to me as something completely different because Alex is such a positive character. So completely bad was a lot of fun.
Priyanka, in an interview with the Hollywood Reporter, Joshua Safran, the creator of Quantico, said that he's not sure if a third season may happen because you guys are still figuring out the storyline and stuff. So
no, that's not the reason.
Okay.
What happens is after every season, and I'm sure that happens with Hindi television. I mean, in Hindi television as well. मुझे नहीं पता था, मैंने भी नया सीखा, so I'll also enlighten you all. After every season, the channel goes back and they do like a consensus कि उनकी कौन से shows should come back for a next season, which shows they are cancelling, what their budgets are. So right now we are on that place. So even after season 1, we didn't know if season 2 was coming back till I think May. So we are still waiting in May to find out if there will be a season 3 or not.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. Hi, I'm seeing you after so long. How are you? Yes. I play the villain, yes. Zor se bolunga sune. Have I played? Oh. I've played a villain in Hindi films before. जैसे, सात खून माफ हो गया, ऐतराज, of course. Right. So, no, I wanted Victoria to be a very different. I mean, female villains हमने देखे भी नहीं है ना ज़्यादा हिंदी फिल्मों में, or like characters. We've seen Kajol, who was amazing, one of my favorites. But we've seen very few, even in, especially in Hindi films. So I wanted Victoria to be very, very feminine, but at the same time evil. There's something very scary about that.
Hi Priyanka, this is Sohail. Yeah, on your right. Yeah,
hi Sohail.
Welcome. Just needed to be, you are representing India as well as Bollywood actually in Hollywood. तो anything like when you
और भी लोग हैं यार वहाँ पे
नहीं पर हम अभी फिलहाल के लिए actually in the recent time तो any conscious effort from your side like you're trying to represent Bollywood तो ऐसी कोई चीज है जो खास ध्यान में रखते जैसे आपने कहा कि अभी स्लो मोशन आपने उनको सिखाया तो ऐसी कोई
मतलब मैं मजाक कर रहा हूँ
नहीं ठीक है ऐसे कोई
सीरियसली नहीं क्लास नहीं दी थी मैंने नहीं मैं yes it's a good question actually because I do want to address it एक बहुत स्टीरियोटाइप होता है हमारी फिल्मों को लेकर और इंडियंस को लेकर इंटरनेशनली वेस्ट में सिर्फ अमेरिका में नहीं वेस्ट में भी जो हम सब ने शायद एक्सपीरियंस किया हो सुना होगा कि क्या हमारे रोड्स पे एलिफेंट्स चलते हैं कि नहीं हम लोग इंग्लिश अच्छे से कैसे बोलते हैं थिंग्स लाइक दैट कि ऑल आवर फिल्म्स हमारी फिल्में जस्ट रैंडम ब्रेकआउट इनटू सॉन्ग एंड डांस होती हैं सडनली डांसर कहाँ से आ जाते हैं सो देयर इज अ लैक ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग सो व्हाट इज कॉन्शियस फ्रॉम माय एंड is whenever I walk onto a set, I want them to know that I'm an actor who knows my job. I want people to never question कि मार्क पे कैसे खड़ा होना था मुझे अपना काम बहुत अच्छी तरह आता है और वो मुझे हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री ने सिखाया है so in that way if I do good work and people work with me then the representation of everything that I have learned by the Hindi film industry and the directors that I have worked with तो वो correct होता है तो वो I try and do right I try to play characters जैसे एलेक्स विक्टोरिया से बहुत अलग होगी just like I've done in my Hindi films as well and second of all I think I always try and explain to people कि हमारा जो culture होता है ना हमको गाना बजाना तो बचपन से ही होता है बच्चा पैदा होता है तो हम डांस करते हैं बर्थडे होता है हम डांस करते हैं अगर अभी म्यूजिक बजा दे तो अभी भी हम लोग डांस कर लेंगे, आप लोग भी और मैं भी. तो यू नो हमारी कहानियां जो होती हैं, दे आर टोल्ड बाय म्यूजिक. दैट इज अ वे ऑफ टेलिंग अ स्टोरी. इंस्टेड ऑफ अ सीन वी हैव अ सॉन्ग. And so I try and explain to people that it's a cultural difference. But besides that, I think it's really cool that now that people have gotten to know me, जो मेरे show को भी देखते हैं, उन्होंने कितनी सारी मेरी हिंदी फिल्में देखी हैं, and people like write to me and talk to me about the first time they've watched like Bajirao Mastani or Barfi, and it's really so much fun for me to have that sort of cultural exchange.
Priyanka, hi Priyanka, मेरा सवाल.
हाँ जी.
हाय प्रियंका, आपके सेंट
Found you.
हाँ, मैं अनुप्रिया हूँ दैनिक जागरण डिजिटल से. मेरा सवाल है कि आपने इंडियन फिल्म इंडस्ट्री को कितना मिस किया, और आपकी नेक्स्ट फिल्म, पहली हिंदी फिल्म कौन सी होने जा रही है?
फिर से पहली होगी 15 साल के बाद. Guys,
अभी कौन सी?
अभी तो थी. चलो ये अच्छा है. I don't mind going to ground zero again. मुझे न्यूकमर बोलना फिर से. Because I don't know season 3 का क्या हो रहा है. I'm listening to a lot of बहुत सारे filmmakers आए who have come and met me in New York. A lot of filmmakers I've met here. There are about a lot of scripts I like, but once I know what my schedule is, then only I can figure out when I can do a film. I can tell you for sure I have locked 3, but I can't announce them till I know my dates. And I don't know when I'll do it. अगले साल होगा, इस साल होगा, end में होगा. अभी I know I have to go for Baywatch. So जून के बाद मुझे पता नहीं मैं क्या कर रही हूँ. And I definitely missed Hindi films. I missed Bombay. ये मेरा घर है, ये मेरे लोग हैं, ये मेरा इंडस्ट्री है. And I've had so much fun meeting everyone in the last couple of days. मैं सिर्फ 5 दिन के लिए आई हूँ, and I'm meeting people every single day. So it's been a really wonderful homecoming.
Priyanka, hi.
I can't choose. I'm under contract with ABC. Until they want Quantico, I have to do it. That's just, I mean, like how you are under contract with films. So you can't just walk off halfway and say, Tata, thanks. So it really depends.
Priyanka, hi.
थोड़ी ठंडा कर सकते हैं इस कमरे को? मेरी काफी बुरी हालत हो रही है.
I think it's you.
Really? My God, did you tell anybody? Guys, let's up the ante now of the AC. Thank you, Sanjay जी. काफी फिल्मों में मेरा नाम आ रहा है और आता रहा है. लोग मुझे 1000 फिल्में करवाते हैं. मैंने जैसे आपको बोला, जब तक कुछ फाइनल नहीं होता और जब तक मैं अपने डेट सॉर्ट आउट नहीं कर पाती, आई कैन नॉट अनाउंस अ फिल्म. तो मैं आपको हाँ या ना नहीं बोल सकती.
जो लोग आपको जानते हैं और संजय को जानते हैं, तो उनकी फिल्म बजा होती है, तो लोगों को ये लग रहा है कि उसमें कहीं आपका एक अपीयरेंस होगा, क्योंकि उनकी लगातार कई फिल्मों में आपकी झलक रही है. तो क्या ये भी संभव है?
Just because मैं संजय सर की फेवरेट हूँ. No, I'm joking. अभी तक तो कोई बात नहीं हुई है, और but we've spoken about other films, but not for Padmavati. I'm sure it'll look beautiful. मैं बहुत लकी हूँ, मैंने झलकियाँ देखी हैं.
Hi, Priyanka, you know, ever since you have been to
Sorry, I've lost.
Hi. Ever since you have been to Hollywood, we have heard thousands of highlights and everything, and one of the highlights is that you were featured in 17 international magazine cover. So how was that?
I think that was in the US only, or was it in? I don't know. I don't count. But इस महीने तो 6 आ गई. तो फिर this month I've done 6 in the US. So I don't know. I mean, magazine covers, I guess it was wonderful when it first started. My first one was a really big deal because, you know, going to someone else's country, completely different country, na jaan na pehchan, and then after getting the kind of reception and love that I have got from the industry there, the colleagues, the people that I meet, the media, the press, after Quantico it was amazing. Fans, people who watched the show. So, you know, when the first cover happened and when I first saw it, you know, airport mein when you see it, that time it was very exciting. My mother collects all of them, but she collects from India also, all the covers. Very diligently in my office she'll keep. But it was very nice, and I always try and do different covers, just like I do it over here. I treat them like, you know, photography ek art hoti hai in a weird way, so it's a nice new evolution wala presentation of myself. So there should be some coming up in the next few months for Baywatch, so it'll be fun. Who has a mic? Mic churana padega.
देश में रहे कि हिंदी फिल्मों में काम भी नहीं किया, लेकिन 3 नेशनल अवार्ड आपके नाम आ गए, मतलब आपकी कंपनी के नाम.
इतनी आसानी से हो गया ना? नहीं, देश में नहीं हूँ, लेकिन मुझे नेशनल अवार्ड चाहिए। सर बड़ी मुश्किल पिक्चर बनाई थी, 118 एक्टर हैं उसमें। प्रोड्यूसर बनना पड़ा मुझे। मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड थी। जब भी मुझे कोई भी गवर्नमेंट से आई गेस सम्मान मिलता है, तब मैं न्यूयॉर्क में होती हूँ फॉर सम रीजन। पहला नेशनल अवार्ड जो फैशन के लिए मिला, मैं न्यूयॉर्क में थी। पद्मश्री मैं न्यूयॉर्क में थी। फिर अब ये नेशनल अवार्ड भी मैं न्यूयॉर्क में थी। सो आई वाज फीलिंग वेरी ग्रेट, और स्पेशली क्योंकि ये मेरी पहली फिल्म थी और ये बहुत स्पेशल फिल्म भी है। मैंने अपने पापा के लिए बनाई थी। अगर आप देखें पहले फ्रेम में मैंने अपने पापा की फोटो भी डाली है, क्योंकि जब मेरे पापा भी वेंटिलेटर में थे, हॉस्पिटल पे थे, जब उनकी तबीयत ठीक नहीं थी, तो आईसीयू के बाहर हमारे साथ भी यही हो रहा था कि मेरी डैड की साइड ऑफ द फैमिली जो पंजाबी थी, मेरी मॉम की साइड ऑफ द फैमिली जो बिहारी थी, तो 2 स्टेट्स चल रहा था बाहर। इट वाज सो एक तरह का इलनेस, बर्थ्स एंड डेथ्स, ये जो चीजें होती हैं फैमिलीज को करीब लाती हैं, और ये फिल्म उसकी कहानी थी। और मेरे लिए बहुत स्पेशल थी, क्योंकि जब मैंने ये प्रोडक्शन कंपनी बनाई, तो जिस रीजन के लिए मैंने बनाया वो रीजन, वो कामयाबी मिली। आई वाज वेरी हैप्पी। जब मैं फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में आई थी, मुझे हेल्प करने वाला कोई नहीं था। हालांकि मैं मिस वर्ल्ड थी, इसलिए मुझे फिल्में मिली, लेकिन आई डिडंट नो एनीवन। सब लोग अंकल आंटी नहीं थे, मतलब मुझे अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस करना पड़ा। तो मेरी कंपनी का स्टैंडर्ड है, मैंडेट है कि हम नए आर्टिस्ट को चांस देते हैं, नए फिल्म मेकर्स हो, नए डायरेक्टर्स हो, नए एक्टर्स हो, म्यूजिशियंस हो। कोशिश करती हूँ मैं जिस फिल्म में भी बनाऊँ, मैं हमेशा न्यू पीपल को अपॉर्चुनिटीज दूँ। हम बहुत छोटे प्रोड्यूसर्स हैं, पर्पल पेबल पिक्चर्स बहुत छोटा प्रोडक्शन हाउस है, छोटी फिल्में बनाना चाहते हैं, लेकिन अच्छी फिल्में बनाना चाहते हैं। राजेश सर की पहली मराठी फिल्म थी है, तो उनको बहुत बड़ा कंग्रेचुलेशंस।
प्रियंका, हाय प्रियंका।
नेशनल अवार्ड को लेकर रिसेंटली बहुत ज्यादा बातें हो रही है, अक्षय कुमार को मिला।
मैं तो अमेरिका में थी, मुझे कुछ नहीं पता।
Guys, this will be the last question. We have one last question.
मुझे 3 मिले, मुझे ये पता।
हाय
last
प्रियंका।
question.
हाय प्रियंका, हाउ आर यू? प्रियंका, जब आप यहाँ पे नहीं होती हैं तो भी आप बॉलीवुड मूवीज पे वॉच रखती हैं, क्या कुछ आ रहा है? आपने कोई लास्ट हिंदी फिल्म कौन सी देखी थी?
बिल्कुल नहीं देखी। नहीं, मैं फॉरगेट हिंदी फिल्म है, वहाँ की भी फिल्में नहीं देख पाती हूँ। डूइंग अ 22 एपिसोड टीवी शो इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट, मेरे आवर्स बहुत क्रेजी होते हैं। हम लोग 15-15 घंटे शूट करते हैं। सब लोग समझते हैं कि वहाँ पे लोग पीपल वर्क ओनली लाइक फ्रॉम 9 to 5, नॉट एट ऑल। हमारी सुबह 5 बजे की शूटिंग, 5 बजे यू हैव टू अराइव, वी लीव बाय 8 o'clock at night, so there's not really time. So I've missed out on a lot of films. In fact, a lot of the Oscar films also मैंने देखी नहीं थी, तो मैं बेस्ट पिक्चर कैटेगरी में बाहर चली गई थी, ताकि कोई मुझसे पूछे ना।
We'll have one last question. One last.
Hi Priyanka, just wanted to ask you.
Give it 5
Hi
more
Priyanka.
minutes.
Priyanka.
I'm Atika from Rishta Cineplex, the movie channel by Colors. A couple of months back, we met in Spain for an interview. You said very categorically, whichever project you would be in, you want to make sure that you are also in the poster, like the other actors, and they should not take Indian actors for granted. In the beginning, हमने आपके जो interviews देखे जो West में लिए गए थे, we thought the anchors were being a little arrogant because they did not have an idea about you or our country, India. But of late, they have warmed up to us, the country, the Indians. Have they really warmed up to the color brown? Can you tell us, by instances, how their notions and perceptions about India have been broken?
Okay, so you've asked 3 questions in one, huh? Now let me answer one by one if I've understood. You can't be so entitled, and us also as the Hindi film industry. हम ऐसे नहीं कह सकते कि अच्छा हम तो इंडिया में स्टार हैं तो हर कंट्री में होना चाहिए. Not cool. वहाँ मतलब different people are different celebrities in different countries. So I never expected that. I am okay walking into a room saying, "Hi, I'm Priyanka Chopra and I'm an Indian actor." मैं अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस करती हूँ, एंड उसमें कोई छोटी बात नहीं है. हमारे अचीवमेंट्स बहुत बड़े हैं. सो स्लोली, ऑफ कोर्स, nobody had seen my work that time. Quantico had just come out. I never thought they were mean, except for a few people, and I know who you're talking about. But I don't think anyone was mean. I think the American press has been wonderfully accepting of me. In fact, I haven't seen them being like this to a lot of Indian actors. I mean, if you think about it, they're wonderful with me. They are so friendly, so loving, so encouraging for someone like me. So I don't know. I can't say about brown skin, and I can't generalize. But I definitely think that's my endeavor. We are 1/5 of the world's population. तो हमारा representation international cinema में, global cinema में, global entertainment में बहुत जायज़ है, होना चाहिए. And that is on us. We have to make sure that we are good enough and we put ourselves out there and say कि मैं अपने character के ऊपर I'm going to pay attention and I'm going to work on it because I know how to do it. मैं काफ़ी prolific film industry से आई हूँ. So I don't feel small when I walk in. And I think, yeah, it takes a while to introduce. Whenever somebody comes here new, जब मेरी पहली फिल्म में आई थी तब आप लोग भी तो नहीं जानते थे मुझे. You also warmed up to me after a while, so it's just natural, I think.
Priyanka,
Hi Priyanka.
Justin
Hi
here.
Priyanka. I'm Shutapa. Hi, here in the middle.
Just say
Hi,
okay.
I'm Shutapa from Bombay. Yeah.
Sorry.
I'm Shutapa from Bombay Times. So you were just now talking about stereotypes, and it's just not about perception. It's also about the rules we adhere to also in our country. In India, the film industry is mostly family-based film industry. In this film, Baywatch, you're playing a really badass character. While you have also played badass characters in India, how was it, dropping F-bombs and, talking about...
That one was very scary.
Yeah, how was it?
The first time I had to say it, I got very embarrassed. मेरे कान गरम हो गए थे. Because I'm not someone who by nature curses. चाहे वो हिंदी में हो या इंग्लिश में. Even at home, like even with my friends, I don't by nature do it. And फिल्मों में तो मैंने कभी किया नहीं. विशाल सर से मेरी विशाल भारद्वाज कितनी बार उन्होंने कोशिश की थी कि एक गाली दे दो. मुझसे नहीं होता. I get really shy. So, but I knew this was a rated R movie. It is, red band trailers. ये वो film है. This is that world. And I'm an actor और मेरा काम है to be able to, it's my job and my responsibility to fit myself into the world that I play in. मैं कभी भी अपने आप को play नहीं करती हूँ अपने characters में. I don't believe in that. I'm an actor and my job is to act. So that's what I've done with Victoria. This is the world that she is in and she drops the F-bomb.
Hi Priyanka.
Oh, thank you for asking that question. We have 6 films on floor this year, actually. We have one more Marathi movie. We have one more Bengali movie that I'm going to start. One Sikkimese film. Sikkim में film industry नहीं है, उनकी regional film industry. तो ये सिक्किम की पहली film होगी जो सिक्किम से निकलेगी. I've tied up with the government. I'm launching the film industry there. So we've taken HODs only HODs from Bombay. बाकी सारा cast and crew हम लोग उसी area से ले रहे हैं, so that they get sort of used to making films on their own and they can also do it after I leave. Also, the rest of them I can't talk about too much, but there's also one Konkani Hindi film, which is a children's film, which I'm very excited about. And yeah, we're developing some really fun stuff. And most of them are with new directors, and we're launching a few new actors. So fingers crossed, let's see.
Priyanka, that will be the last question, guys. That will be the last question.
Priyanka, Justin...
That will be the last one.
Priyanka, Justin here.
Chalne do.
Priyanka, I just wanted to ask from you, I mean, while you were working in the West, America was going through a transformation. Since you've worked in both the industries, I just wanted to understand from you, why is it that the celebrities in the West are more open to criticizing the power of authority than perhaps the Indian celebrities here? Why do you think there is that difference? Like,
I think it's a cultural thing, maybe. I don't know. I say what I feel. I've always had an opinion. So, and when I don't want to have an opinion, I just don't. Maybe controversies get, every time I think public people, whether it's over there and over here, I think public people just always get into trouble, I guess, when you speak your opinion, and that's the truth. So maybe that's why. I mean, I'm just guessing.
Thank you. Can I please invite Mr. Andhari to please come on stage, sir? Sir, could you please come
This
on
is
stage?
Ajit Antare from Viacom, please. हमने मेरीकॉम भी साथ में की, हमने काफी फिल्में साथ में की है.
Good, she remembers. I was waiting somewhere.
One mic. Yes. One. Where is your mic? Okay, let me finish with them. I'm coming to you. Yes.
About the films that you're doing in the Purple Pictures. I, being from Assam, have a personal. I mean, I know this attachment. Obviously, you're a brand ambassador for Assam right now. You've just signed up. Would you be doing any films in that language? B,
okay,
from the same state company.
The mic here, na Baba?
Yeah, I think my voice is too loud anyway. Everyone says that. Anyway, so B, when you actually did, I mean, the Assam tourism campaign, there were a lot of criticism that came in. I mean, are you aware of it? Because
for the campaign design,
the creatives were not up to the mark. It was ridiculously bad, actually. Let me put it that way. It was. It was stupid.
You must tell your government because they made it then.
Exactly. Did you
तुम
not
वहाँ
have
से
any?
हो, तुम बोलो.
हम तो बोल चुके हैं.
मैं तो सिर्फ खड़ी थी.
Did you have a say in the creative?
No, of course I have a say in most creatives that go out with me. But I had gone to Assam for a really quick trip and we did a photo shoot and I left. So because I was in America, I didn't really pay attention. And I know I know people didn't like it very much, but I've had a conversation with them about it because I also saw it for the first time on the internet. I had like it had gone out of because I had gone back for Quantico. So hopefully we'll do a better one next time and people won't be upset. Oh, and the film. There's no plan yet, but I have met CM Saab from Assam, and we've talked about that actually. Film and television.
Guys, that will be it. We'll take a photo op now.
Yes, sorry, I promised her a question. Yes.
I just want to know, in case Quantico doesn't go to, will you be coming back here permanently, or you still try your luck to get more of it?
I never tried my luck. ABC came to me as a talent. I signed a talent deal. I never had a plan that मुझे Hollywood में झंडा गाड़ना है. There was no plan ever. I was doing Hindi films here. ABC came to me saying, would you like to do television? I said, it's too long a commitment. I read, you must be knowing, I read like 26 scripts. I loved Quantico. वो 13 episodes का होना था पहले. 13 से it became 18, then it became 22. So it just sort of happened. Everything that I'm doing internationally just sort of happened. It was never a plan. Then Baywatch came to me. Films started coming to me. I still obviously want to do Hindi films. Till people want to watch me, I'd want to do films here or there. I don't think it needs to be a choice. I'm an artist and I go wherever my work takes me. Thank you. Yes, I dubbed my own voice. बाकियों का नहीं पता मुझे.
That will be it, I think.
Dwayne Johnson से हिंदी बुलवानी चाहिए थी.
We'll just have a photo op right now, guys. Thank you so much.
आप बोलो. मैंने शुरू तो उससे किया था. It was great. हाँ जी. मैंने बोला गाली बोलते मेरे कान गरम हो जाते हैं. Okay, ask. You'll get yelled at. Hi, Anji. Yes, I do have one. I wish that Hollywood was not so punctual. Badi problem hoti hai mujhe. I wish they were a little bit more like us. That I had a problem with. Baki, I don't think so. I think filmmaking and cinema everywhere is the same. The only difference is 8 o'clock they say they'll start by 8:02. Which mere liye badi problem hoti hai, you know, first of all as a girl and as an Indian actor. But secondly, I think the difference for me was television and films. I'd never done TV except Khatron Ke Khiladi, which I just shot for like 20 days, long time. The way television works is like 15 scenes a day, it's really, really fast. Whereas movies are a lot more language. So when I shot Baywatch, I felt like I was doing a Hindi film. It was the same thing. But except that we spoke in English and we speak in Hindi. But I don't feel the difference in filmmaking as much.
Thank you, guys. I think that'll be it.
Sir, मेरे पास remote control है. I overview everything. And I know people keep asking me कि कैसे मैं produce भी कर रही हूँ यहाँ पे काम वहाँ पे कर रही हूँ. I fly down people with hard drives to check on edits of my film. Creatives are all mine. Business is all my mother. We're a partnership. She handles all the business. I handle all creatives. Font se leke, final cut tak, of course. And the only way to do it is if you really want to do it. And I really want to do it. I want to be able to be someone who can do everything. वक्त की पाबंदी की वजह से मैं कुछ ना कर पाऊँ वो मेरे साथ कभी नहीं होगा.